Today we are making foiled chicken. I have 1.5 kg chicken cut into medium pieces. So now we'll add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste, then we have soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, chili sauce, two tablespoons. Now this is according to your taste. You can add more. Ketchup, tomato ketchup. We are adding 3 tablespoons. Then we have vinegar. One tablespoon. Then we'll have salt to taste. Butter, about 1.5 tablespoon. We have chili powder, three teaspoons, because we have already added chili sauce. And now pinch of tandoori color. We mix it and marinate at least for half an hour. So we'll marinate the chicken for half an hour and just cook like this. We don't need to add oil or anything. Then once the chicken is almost done, we'll add these are sesame seeds, 2.5 tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons of poppy seeds, and 3 tablespoons of cashew nuts. So we'll roast, we'll grind and soak for some time. Then we'll add once the chicken is almost done. So as you see, the chicken is almost done. So I'm adding the paste. You see the paste? Sesame seed, cashew nuts. So you roast it and you grind it. Poppy seeds. So after adding the paste, the color will change. So in case if you think the color is not looking red, because it should look red. So here I have, so I'm adding little more of tandoori color because the foil chicken should look red. So let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes because chicken is almost done. We just need to mix the paste, and then we have coal here. So we need that smoky flavor. So burn till red. Put a katori in the center with some butter or oil and add those coals and cover immediately. So now the chicken is ready. You don't need to dry the gravy. Let it be some gravy because we'll need to put in the foil. So now I'm adding chopped coriander leaves, the color is looking so beautiful. So now I'll put the katori, some butter. Once we finish with the coat, we don't use this butter. So I had the cover ready. Here I am adding the and cover immediately. And also you cover with the cloth so the smoke doesn't go out. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll put it in the foil. So our chicken is cooked. We'll remove this. Mix it. Take a piece of chicken with some gravy. Because we call foil chicken, so we'll wrap individual pieces in the foil. Again we'll do it. Hold both the ends and just fold it.